Welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Barun, and in today's video, we will look into how we can integrate your OnceHub account to your Salesforce account and record all your bookings effortlessly into the CRM. So to begin, log into your account and click on the gear icon at the top right. Head over to Account Integrations and then CRM. Then select Salesforce. Click on the Connect button. Now this redirects you to the Salesforce Access page where you would need to enter your credentials and confirm that you are allowing the access for OnceHub with Salesforce. So once you allow access, this goes ahead and integrates your Sales OnceHub account and your Salesforce. And this is where you can go ahead and configure your Salesforce settings to either create a lead, a contact, events, cases, and also gives you all the access to the field mapping. We will look into details regarding all of these aspects in our next videos. Thank you for watching.